G'day, let's have a look at these Wera Kraftform Micro screwdrivers. Now this specifically here is that bulk tool roll. So you open it up and then you have a whole set of these screwdrivers in here. So this set comes with a bunch of Torx. We have a whole bunch of Torx there. We've got a wire drive, a couple of hex bits. Actually these are hex sockets, so you can do hex nuts with it, or the top of bolts. A couple more actual hex keys. We've got a few Phillips, and then we've got a whole bunch of slotted here as well. So all different shapes and sizes for any precise electrical work. So I'll just grab one of these. Quick overview of that screwdriver is the biggest feature for me that I like is this back cap. So you've got this back free spinning cap. You can see that just rotates. I'll get that into focus. That just rotates freely. So that comes in really handy because that sort of sits in your palm as you're turning this with your fingers on here. And I sort of hold that with my other finger there, and it's just got a really nice feel, really nice and secure fit, but also you can turn that really freely. So that's really nice. The whole thing is made out of this sort of hard plastic, and then that green surface there is a softer plastic, or almost a rubbery feel to it. And that's just for that extra bit of grip there. Depending on what you're actually screwing, you could spin it here with a really thin shaft and get an extra fast spin, or you could move up here where it is a little bit thicker as well, so you can get a little bit more torque as you increase that moment acting on this as well. So I really like that with these screwdrivers. And again, this is that big roll, so you can roll it up, and potentially if you're going somewhere, take this with you. But then for my actual bench, just behind here, I have a whole nother set of these, and they come in this really nice rack. So they just sit up like that. You can screw it down here as well, or what you can also do is you can see these holes here, you could interchange them and you could put them in there. And you can put them in there like that as well, and screw this onto a wall and then just have them hanging like that. And these racks are really versatile, so you could also grab their full-size screwdrivers and put that in there as well, and actually just have that sit there. So I'm sure you would have seen some pictures of that. So that's a really neat feature that they use the same racks for that. There are just these holes through the front then, and some of them, obviously that hole there, you can't have screwdrivers in the front and in the back. But I use these racks. They hold the screwdrivers on there really well, and I have them here just behind this mat, so nice and quick and easy reach for reaching them. So a whole bunch of slotted ones here, and then I mostly use Phillips ones here, and then just a couple of Torx. And if I do need more, I then just open up this roll and then pretty much have anything I need there. Very rarely does it happen that this set doesn't have what I need. The other thing worth noting is these are not ESD screwdrivers, so they won't have that dissipation through the handle of any static that does build up. So if you are working on sensitive electronics, you probably do want to get the ESD version, which I don't have these actual ones, but I have some of these portable ones. So really what it is it's just this yellow color, and that's obviously different construction, different build, but it's got that ESD rating just there. So these are really nice. This is a portable set as well, so you can just slide in that tip, and then you've got whatever screwdriver you just put in there. So this is nice. Don't use it all that much, because most of the time that I do work on electronics, it is just here on this bench, and then I've just got this whole sets with me here. I don't really find too much sensitive stuff that I do work on that I do want to have that ESD rating. The rest of my gear isn't actually set up for ESD anyway, so these screwdrivers here do the job just fine. I will put links to this set here and then to these individual sets. So I think I bought a couple of different sets and then just customized exactly what screwdrivers work for me and what I like. But it's really nice to have these racks, and you can also buy these racks separately as well. So if you do just want to get this set, get a couple of racks and then set it up how you want. But that's pretty much it. Just a quick overview of all this. I'll do another little close up there, so you can see exactly what's there. This here is quite a nice little pry bar almost, so you can pry some things up with it. And if you're unsoldering some things, you can put that under the component and put a little bit of pressure on it as you melt the solder, and that'll just lift it up quite nice. So there we go. That's a quick look at these Wera Micro Kraftforms. So thanks for watching.